3, 2, 1, testing, voiceover tutorial starting in 3, 2, 1. I started with my primer from Touch and Soul, which is one of my favorite ones because it has a jello-like texture that it helps me apply better my foundation. For foundation, I've been using this Fluidity from Morphe Cosmetics that I really have to say I love it. I love the texture and I love how long it lasts on my skin. Then I go ahead and apply my Candid Photo Ready Concealer from Revlon that has super brightening color. I mean, look at that, y'all. On the days that I really want to look snatch AF, I use cream contours before I contour later on my face using powders. I recently started using this setting powder from Laura Mercier, and I really like the compact because I can take it with me anywhere. Another of my favorite products for the face is of course this Cover FX palette that includes contour, highlight, blush, and brightening powder. So for my brows, I'm going to be doing later on a dedicated video and I show you how I use my favorite Benefit products to do those brows. So I recently bought the Riviera Palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I didn't even use it on the first day, but when I opened it on the second day I realized that one of the colors came shattered. So I was really sad about it, but I still use it because I really wanted to try it. I used Stayed, First, and Cabana to just define a little bit my lid and where I was going with it. Then I used this really dark shade Palm that I really like how it blended with all of the other 3 colors, so I just elongated all the way up. I used the shade Mediterranean to create some light into my look. The only thing I gotta say is that although these are really pigmented, they also have some fallout, so be careful. As you can see here, I'm cleaning it before I apply shade Can under my eyes. To clean up the look, all I use is concealer from CoverGirl. And then I went right away and I applied my loose highlighting powder from Artist Couture in the shade Purple Dream. This has been my favorite this whole month. I got this on my boxer charm and I honestly love this shade because it has a purple, pink, gold reflex whenever you're moving. To finish up this look, I used my lipstick from Folly Fire and I'm using the shade Chemo No, which is sickening. When I saw that they sent me their whole collection of lipsticks, I was really happy, and this one's one of the favorites that I wanted to try right away. Then in the middle, I apply a little bit of Jeffree Star in the shade Nude to create an umber look, and then I do a little bit of gloss from Milani to finish it up. If you watch this whole look up to here, thank you so much, and let me know in the comments down below if you want more voiceover tutorials like this. Bye!